Hi, this is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today, I'll be going over how to fix your Gobi card when installing Linux and Ubuntu. Step 1. Boot the Toughbook into BIOS. When the Toughbook first starts to boot up, a blue background with a white Panasonic text will appear. When you see this, press the F2 key. Step 2. Enable wireless WAN. Once inside the BIOS, use the arrow keys, go to Main page, and scroll down to Optional Kit Configuration. Once highlighted, press the Enter key where you'll be prompted to enter a password. Type ToughKit, TOUGHKIT, into the field and a new window will open where you can select a value for the optional kit configuration. Press Enter, and depending on what model CF31 you have, the value should be changed to either 04 or 13 if it's not already set to that value. Once you type in the value, press Enter again, and then use the F10 key to open up the prompt to save changes. Use the arrow keys to select Save, and then press Enter. When the CF31 restarts and the Panasonic screen comes back up, press F2 again to go back into the BIOS, and this time use the arrow keys to navigate to the Advanced tab, where you will select the wireless configuration option with Enter once highlighted. You should now see a wireless WAN option if it was not there before. If the wireless WAN is enabled, you can press F10 and save your change. If it is disabled, hover over wireless WAN and press spacebar once so that it is enabled. Then press F10 to exit and save the changes. Step 3, open network settings this time. Let your CF31 boot up into your Ubuntu operating system. Once fully loaded, sign in the top right hand corner, click the down arrow icon. Click Mobile Broadband Off, and in the options that drop down, click Mobile Broadband Settings. Under the Mobile Broadband slider will be a bar that says Network, Add New Connection. Select that option. A window will pop up showing the information you'll need to set up the mobile broadband connection. You can select Next, provided you have the following: an activated SIM card for your plan inserted into the CF31, and an APN for the plan you have. For this example, we'll be using Verizon SIM card. We will select Verizon as a provider and select Next. It will then ask you for the billing plan. Now, personally, I've never used one of the preset ones. I've always used My Plan Is Not Listed and entered my APN manually because I know that my settings will be exactly how I need them. But if you can get one of the preset ones to work, there shouldn't be anything wrong with that. Once you enter your APN, which it will ask you for if you select that your plan isn't listed, the Verizon default one is VZW Internet. You should be able to toggle on and off using the mobile data as your internet connection. And that's it. Any questions or comments you can leave below. Thank you for watching.